Welding Thunder is an interstate competition that we're hosting this year at Skyline High School. We have schools from all around the state and our neighboring states going to come bring their own welding equipment and materials, and we all build the same project. We're going to have about 15 to 18 engine drive welders out there all roaring at the same time, which is why we call it Welding Thunder.
Welding Thunder is important because it gives the students the job view of things when it comes to welding.
Welding Thunder is going to be this year October 31st. Yes, it's Halloween. It's going to be from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Then Saturday morning the engines fire up again at 8 a.m. and we run till about noon, where we're going to cook lunch for everyone.
Alright Skyline, if you see any of our up-and-coming welders, make sure to wish them luck at Welding Thunder on the 31st of October and the 1st of November. This is Nick DeJong reporting for CTV, signing off.